Good morning, everyone. Time for a little bit of a garden update. So we have over here in the garden bed I created last year, the little raised garden bed. We planted some peppers and stuff, and let me show you. So they're not growing tall, but we have a couple little peppers on them, so I don't know if we should pull them and let the plant grow taller. Last year the plants grew a little taller when we planted them. So got a couple banana peppers here. Got another one right here, but this one's kind of purpley. My lavender, which is growing well. I love lavender. I wish I knew how to use lavender, because I love lavender lotion. It's like my favorite smell in the whole world. But I don't know how to use lavender. But I like the way it smells, and it's supposed to keep the bugs away. So, and it looks pretty, so it's like a triple win. So, garden is doing okay. I gotta pull all these ferns today. Look at that. Little skinny cucumber. So that's exciting. I think that's about it that we have growing, the cucumber. So garden update, it's slowly growing, but not as well as we wanted. Perhaps we didn't buy the best plants. Hopefully we can build a greenhouse this fall or this winter, and then we can have a greenhouse, which would be awesome. Because then we can grow our own, which is ultimately the goal, but we'll see how far we get along this year. All right, guys, we're starting on day 3 of the covered porch build, and today we're gonna do rafters and ridge beam. Hopefully he doesn't have a spray foam accident like he did in the bedroom and spray foam get all over the place, because I might have to kick his butt.
So guys, I'm up here in the corner of the cabin where we brought the beams through the gable end, and it's sitting on the wall plate. Now, everything I'm doing here is just kind of trying to make it work. I don't know if there's a better way to do this. Maybe we could have chunked this out, let it sit down a little bit so it's a little more secure, but I'm using these heavy-duty L brackets. They're all strong tie, you know, real thick, heavy-duty. I'm gonna basically bookshelf this beam like so to the wall sill, or the top of the, the top plate of the wall. And then we're gonna spray foam this in, and we're done. And then we left these hanging out because I thought they'd be kind of cool. Maybe we could put a shelf across here once we finish this gable end, but that's just options. I mean, we could still cut them off flush if we want. But I thought it could be kind of cool to incorporate the outdoor covered porch beams into here. So that's what I'm doing. That's all I need, like a little boost. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I'm good. Whew, that's like the only thing that's gone well the last 3 days. All right, let's get outside, guys, and see if we can get a ridge beam installed. See how we're gonna make that work.
Okay. Gonna go measure the boards to figure out which one we're gonna use for the ridge beam.
This one's really straight. Just debating whether to use one of these or use some crooked shit. This one's nice and straight, so we'll use this one.
This one?
Yeah. Can you lift that or no? Well, try to lift it up high and set it on that beam. Lift up the 2x4 up high, set it on the beam. You good?
Yeah.
So you need to lift it up like an inch or two and then screw it in. You okay? You in?
Yep.
Free water. No well required. This is pretty exciting, guys. This is the first water in 2 years that we haven't had to work for. I mean, to go collect, right?
Mm-hmm.
Clips on here, but let a little bit of that come out for a while. Left them in the tube for a while. Nice. Not the fastest, but faster than gravity. This is Scout's new hangout spot. Must be nice and cool right here. Are you a good puppy now? Took you a few months? Took you a few months to learn the rules? Huh? Scout's a good boy now. He's been sticking around pretty good, so. Alright guys. I'm pretty happy. Although it's taking so much longer than I expected. But yeah, ridge beam is up now. We got a center post. I need to go back and lag all this. Right now it's just all screwed together. But I have to crawl up here because I don't know the angles. What we're gonna do is, again, like we did with the cabin, we're gonna do bush radical style, where I run the rafter board on the outside of this beam here up to the ridge beam. I'm gonna screw it to the edge, then just draw the lines and draw the bird's mouth. And then that's gonna be what all my rafters are on this side. This side is about just, I don't know if the deck is not level or the wall wasn't square when we built the cabin, but this side's about an inch higher. So I'm gonna do all the rafters the same on this side and then make different rafters for that side. It'll be like an inch off, so it won't be noticeable. An inch over, you know, 8 feet. But I can't use the same rafters on both sides, I don't think, because of that. So we'll play with it and figure it out.